Crafted from premium materials, these mechanical keyboard switches are built for superior durability and resilience. They are engineered to withstand extensive daily wear and tear, promising longevity that matches high-end switch standards. Featuring a transparent housing, they are specifically designed to enhance LED backlight shining, making them ideal for RGB setups. These switches deliver a vibrant typing sensation, bringing tactile bliss to the keyboard experience. Each press engages with precision, replicating the authentic feel of true key travel, which significantly enhances both typing and gaming sessions. With impeccable touch response, every stroke resonates with a crisp click, providing satisfying validation for every command. They are particularly popular among typists who appreciate strong, audible feedback and are comfortable with their distinct sound profile. Not intended for quiet environments, these switches cater to typists and gamers who are unapologetic about their passion for mechanical keyboards. They audibly announce presence, celebrating the unique blend of productivity and enjoyment these keyboards offer. Mounted on a PCB to simulate actual key feeling, they provide an excellent tactile experience. The crystal-clear transparency of the Blue Axis white mechanical keyboard switches allows the full potential of RGB lighting to shine through. As these switches embrace the keyboard's LEDs, they create an immersive spectacle where every keystroke illuminates in a mesmerizing symphony of colors. This elevates the setup aesthetics, seamlessly merging style and function. They are applicable to any mechanical keyboard. Designed for universal compatibility, these switches integrate effortlessly with virtually any mechanical keyboard. Their straightforward installation process makes upgrading or customizing a keyboard simple and hassle-free. Whether for an avid gamer's battle station or a professional typist workspace, these switches fit right in, offering premium material quality and a long service life.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.